What's Teespring? No, I have other sources that'll do it for me, but I don't. I gotta like contact them and shit. I gotta design, like give them ideas. Really? Terrible music, I know. I think it's Okinawan or some bullshit. It's garbage music. Teespring will do too. Yeah, I have other sources where they don't take a percentage. Because I represent them. Rata. You're allergic to shellfish? Would you die in Japan? Just go eat non-shellfish? No. Maybe. There's people that are allergic to shellfish here, I'm sure. What about it? That's going to be quite attractive. We're going to take care of the bill. Oh my god.
My God, can I say to everyone?
Yeah, just to expand.
Hi, my name is Yuma Kardashian, bitch.
You're what?
My name is Yuma Kardashian. Yuma Kardashian. Kardashian without the H. Kardashian without the H. So I'm an Asian, right?
Oh, I'm a Japa Jew. You got 50,000 people watching right now. What do you
My God. 50,000 people. Hi everyone. 50,000 people. Oh my God. Follow my Instagram. Yuma Kardashian. Kardashian without the H. So Yuma Kardashian bitch.
Oh my God. 仕方ないけど日本語喋るんですよ。
Oh my god, ずっと無視してる You ignore
I don't know. I speak a little bit of Japanese.
So you little bit of Japanese.
No.
Which language is the better in English or Japanese?
He is Usotsuki.
They call me a liar because of you.
Usotsuki.
I don't know what does that mean? Uso. What?
No.
He is
touching my cock?
doubter.
Touch my cock and balls.
He is big doubter.
Liar.
I'm sorry.
liar.
Because everyone is
Liar.
speaking in English. I have to speak
So,
English.
to be honest, you speak in Japanese
Yeah.
completely.
Really?
No?
No.
Usotsuki.
Just a little bit. I study.
ね、ジャパニーズでも喋れるでしょ
そこそこ.
喋れるじゃん。
I have not gone home yet, so I have not read any bowls yet.
I'm not here to like advertise other streams, but she's in
Carcinogen.
there.
You come from Cashin Stream. I was talking about bowls. Yeah. You like the bowls? My bowls are smooth. They don't need shaving. We had this conversation the other day. They're like, are your bowls shaved? I'm like, I don't need to shave my bowls. They don't have any hair on them.
Wait, you just straight don't have balls. Unless. Oh no, I spelled it right. Yellow CBD vape in that. No. I've gotten CBD on stream before multiple times. Dude, why is the out of every single comment that was like coming in chat, right? Because it's like stepping pretty quickly from right now. Literally the comment that I read, I look up and I see tokening. I get a bright yellow fucking text. And I'm reading, and it says, Cassius, how hot was the poor girl that had the unquackly lapu yesterday? And this motherfucker had a lot. Dude, that was pretty funny. You got a good laugh out of me, man. Oh, shit, that was funny. Like, literally shit. Oh, my God, dude. Help is not on LSF or some shit, dude. That would embarrass me. Lincoln Longbow, dude. Who says that shit? 85, dude. That shit was funny as fuck. Look, Liz, it looks like a vagina. And then the tear duct is the clitoris. It's getting... Looks like it's getting worse. Eyes bloodshot. Maybe avoid drug. They can drug test me if they want to, dude. I don't give a fuck. Free speech. Get that. Oh my god, one chain.
いや、これはもう一回言うたらす。もう一回すと、もう一回言ったんだよ。
また嘘でしょ
Dude, we gotta go to that bar. Or not bar, a club. I'm looking forward. Yeah, for real. You told me sing it. Why?
そんなこと言うの？私、そっちねえの？
Apologize. I'm so hurt. I'm so hurt, okay? You told me to do it. Why? Why? I'm just trying to do my thing.
Okay.
I'm so sad.
Okay.
I'm so sad.
Okay.
Oh, you hurt me. It's okay. See? They say it's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go home, okay? Go to your... Oh, more white men. Spicy, chili, kind of spicy. Three sweat glands. It's white man. Oh, more Mexican, Latin American, spicy. Oh, white girl, more white girl. Almost no spicy. I'm guessing this is like the mild. Like more, like intermediate and very spicy. Like you can tell which is like the most mild out of these, right?